Welcome to lesson 7. In this lesson, we're going to create our packages in WHMCS. We'll also be linking those packages to our front end. That way, when users land on our front end, you click on buy now or other hosting to take them to WHMCS. You enter their domain names and then make purchase. So let's start. Make sure you log into your WHMCS. After logging in, hover on this icon and click on general settings. You are taken to a page just like this. Beneath you see products and services. Click on products and services and click on products and services. Enter your password because we're entering a sensitive zone. They want us to prove our ownership, so please just enter the password and confirm. And we are here. So we're going to create our packages. This way you create your shared hosting and what have you. Please click on create a new group. And we're going to call this group shared hosting. So just click and type shared hosting. All right. So what you're offering to your clients is shared hosting. You're offering shared hosting to clients. After typing shared hosting, type your group headline. So you can type something like select a hosting plan or pick a hosting package. Your group tagline. And this is an example. With our 30-day money back guarantee, you can't go wrong. And also enter your tagline. So I'll click and enter my tagline. This is my tagline. Get all the resources you need for your site. Also enter any tagline you want. Okay, so this one has no effect on your site. Just enter. This is for marketing purposes. Scroll and pick a template. Please leave it as the standard template. Just leave it as this. Scroll and want to leave PayPal enabled. Just leave it as it is, because later we'll be removing this and then we'll also put our own payment gateway. So right now, just leave it as enabled and click on save changes. Good. We've saved our changes. Click here to go back. The next thing we have to do is we create a product. After creating your group, we want to now create products, because under shared hosting we may have basic, standards and ultimate. We are offering shared hosting to clients, and shared hosting are in high demand. All right, that's why everywhere when you type web hosting, you see shared hosting providers, millions of them. So we are offering shared hosting, not VPS. Click on create a new product. Make sure you leave it as shared hosting and your product name. This is the one we just created, shared hosting. Now your product group is shared hosting. Product name, this way you now enter your basic. So go back, just copy your basic or you type it, come paste it here. So basic, and your URL too is going to update in that order, shared hosting basic. So this is your basic plan. Scroll and module, make sure you click here and pick cPanel and turn this off, because if you enable it, this product will be hidden. Turn it off and click on continue. Excellent. Next, before you go to pricing, click on product tagline and you can enter the same tagline here. Your product description, if you want to describe your product, you can describe, but I will leave it as it is. Product description, this is short description. This is short description, but this is the long description. You see this? Please, in the description of this video, you see a link or a document. So I'll put a link there. Okay, I'll enter some text that says get packages here. Just click on that and you'll be taken to a document. Open that document and we're going to, this is your basic plan. Make sure you edit this plan. So with your basic plan, what are the things you want them to get? Make sure whatever you enter here, think the features here are the same features you entered inside WHM. I hope you can still remember that video. WHM. Let me send me back to that video. I'll show you. So that's part 4. Go to part 4 and watch creating hosting packages in WHM. We created some packages, all right, and we assigned some resources to those packages. Make sure whatever features you have here are also in that package in WHM. If not, your users will see this on your front end, and after they log into cPanel, you'll see different resources, right? So make sure I hope the idea is well stated. So copy this, but make sure you edit it, okay? Make sure you edit everything here. The only thing you edit is from here to here, from here to here, all right? But those in brackets, leave them. Edit that, copy that, go to WHMCS and paste it here. Leave everything as it is and click on save. You see here, require domain. They can only order it after purchasing a domain name from you. So just leave it as it is and click on save changes. Excellent. We've created our first package in WHMCS. Next up, let's create our prices. I'll click on pricing and click on recurring. Your monthly price, just click here. Go to your your homepage, and my prices, I have $3.99 a month. So I'll go back and put $3.99. $3.99. You can put the quarterly, semi-annually, annually here, biannually, and then triannually. Let's put the annually. So $3.99 multiply by 12 months, you will get 4788. Put that there. 4788. If you want 2 years, you do that and multiply by 24 months or 36 months, and then you get your values, put them there, and then see all these things, just leave them as they are and click on save changes. Next, click on module settings and make sure it's on cPanel server group. Right now there's no server group, so forget about it. WHMCS package name. Automatically the system is going to pull the data from your WHM inside your WHM into this software. That's where we connected our servers. Remember, we connected servers. If you have not watched that video, let me show you where that video is. Okay, so we did that in part 5. We installed WHMCS and then we also connected our servers. Go and watch part 5 and you learn how to connect your servers. We did that. That's why it's recommended you follow the videos in a systematic order. Okay, so we connected our servers to, and that's the WHM part. Now it's pulling those packages in WHM. Now when you click here, you see those packages there. Let me take you to our WHM. So let's go to packages, and then you see those packages. These are the packages the software is pulling here. If you cannot find that, just click on refresh and it will refresh. So this package is basic plan, so we're assigning it to basic, and this is an automated way of doing it. That way the system automatically will create cPanels without you necessarily going inside WHMCS to create clients accounts manually. With that out of the way, please just scroll down and click here. Automatically set up the product as soon as the first payment is received. When you pick this, immediately a successful payment is made their account is going to, the system is going to automatically create cPanel for them whilst you are sleeping. Okay, you get up the following day and clients are already inside using your hosting their websites without you touching anything, because the system is going to automatically set up the product for them as soon as the payment is made. You see that? You see how cool it is? After that, just click on save changes, and that is it. Okay, for custom fields, forget. Configuration options, forget. Upgrades, forget. Before this upgrade, we have to create a second package, and then we assign upgrade, because we are on the basic plan. Where are we upgrading to? We don't have a standard plan or a higher plan, so we want to create a higher plan, and then we now come to upgrades and then pick that higher plan, so that users who are on this basic plan can upgrade in their hosting account right away. If you want to also offer free domain, just click here and click here, offer a free domain registration, transfer only, and renew as normal. You click here to offer free domain. Pick if you want this free domain to be applied to what? See, free domain payment terms. You want it to be applied to only yearly. So if a client is ordering your yearly package, if you want them to get a free domain, then you pick only this. If you want them to get free domain on the biannual plan, you pick on this. But if you want it to be on all of them, you simply hold down what we call control, and then you pick all of them. That way, any person who orders your monthly plan can still get a free domain name. I will not recommend monthly, because you are going to lose money. Okay, right now we are not offering free domain. Just click on none and let's select it, and then click on save. But we have not done anything here, so just forget about that. And then let's go back and create our second package. Okay, so we have our basic plan, which is on shared hosting, and then it's recurring. Payment type is recurring, and then it will automatically set up for them after first payment or after payment is made. Click on create a new product. But let me just teach you the fastest way of doing it. Just click on duplicate a product, give this second product a name, and that's a standard plan, because here is it. We have standard. Go back and we put standard here and click on continue. So it's going to pick whatever details or configuration we did inside our first package, and then it will put it here. The only thing you have to change is your prices and of course the features here. So with the features, just edit it and enter the features. Maybe on this standard plan you want them to be able to host how many websites? 3 websites. So I'll come and put 3. How many gig? 30. Come 30 terabytes. But I have a document here created, so I'll just go and pick that. In your case, you have to edit this document to suit your needs, so I'll copy this, go back, Control A, Control V, scroll down and click on save. After that, go to pricing, change your price, because this is a standard plan and it requires higher amount, so 599. Go back and put 599. Also enter your own prices there. So 599. $12 months, 7188. So come and put here 7188 and save changes. So these are the only things. Please go to module settings And we don't want clients to be assigned to what a basic plan in WHM, because the basic plan has basic features. So we now want them to be on what? Standard plan. Scroll down and then click on save. So now that we have two packages, let's just go back and let's edit our basic plan. Go back to basic. Inside basic, go to upgrade, and we want them to be upgraded to what? Shared hosting. But before that, please, let's not just forget about it for now. Okay, sorry, forget about it, because see, when a client is on a what? Basic plan, when our clients will have two options to either upgrade to the standard or the what? Ultimate. Okay, so we want to create all the packages before we do the upgrades, all right? Because I can be on a standard plan and I want to upgrade to the highest plan, but here the highest plan is not there yet. So let's just wait. When we finish creating the plans, we'll then do the upgrades. Okay, let's go back to products and services, and let's click on duplicate. We're going to duplicate our second product, which is standard, and we're going to give it ultimate. Let's give it ultimate and click on create. And our third plan is created. I'll just copy what is here, but in your case you have to edit it to suit your needs, and I'll paste my copied code here. Scroll and click on to save. After that, go to prices, change your prices, 10.99. So go back, 10.99. $131 eat. 131 eat. Click on save. Click on module. I want them to now be on the ultimate plan. Scroll and click on save. Good. So we've created our 3 packages. Now let's go back and start with the upgrades. Go back, and first let's go to basic. Any user who is on basic, we want them to be able to upgrade to either standards or ultimate. If you're on standards, we want them to be able to upgrade to ultimate. If you're also on ultimate, we want them to be able to downgrade to this or this. So let me show you how you can do that. So let's click here, go to upgrades, and we want them to be able to upgrade to this or this. Click on save. Now if you want to have an upgrade email, you can click here and pick an upgrade email, but we can only do this after we set up or we create an email template. So for now, just forget about this. Click on save. So user on standard plan can upgrade to one of these. Go back and let's go to standard plan. Click on standard, click on upgrade. Now user on that plan, which is standard, can either upgrade or downgrade. Okay, but we don't want the downgrade, right? So let's go to upgrade and click on save. Okay, but I think it's not fair. It's not fair, so please click on save. Now let's go back and pick ultimate. And the ultimate, go to upgrades. So any person on Ultimate can only downgrade. So this is fair enough. Okay, we want them to also downgrade. Maybe they don't want the highest plan. They are downgrading. Let's give them the option to downgrade. So hold what control and then select both of them and click on save. Excellent. So we're done creating packages. What next? Please open your site, put /billing, only billing, hit enter, click on store and click on shared hosting. Now we have packages just like this. Now you notice Makigo Host also has the same. Let me take you there. And all these hosting providers, okay, are using the same software, WHMCS. They're all using WHMCS. I think they're also on what? Billing, and then okay, let me navigate here. Let's check. Let's also go to their store, and let's pick shared hosting. You see, what's the difference? It's the same software all these companies are using. So go back, and you also have that. You see that? So now we're going to connect our front end, which is your HTML template. So we're going to connect these packages to this. So copy your basic link, just copy, right click on basic, okay, copy. Let me open it and show you something. Open, and we are asked to enter a domain name. So that link you just copied, you want to go to cPanel, this link, go to cPanel, open public_HTML, go to index.html because this is our template, index, edit. Want to link that here so that any person that clicks on it will go direct to where? To our domains area. Scroll to where you see packages. We're looking for our basic package, and we have our basic package here, and you see buy now. Please paste that link here. Good. Just save it. Go back, reload this page. Now click on it, and we're taken to this page. Users can enter a domain name here as test, pick a TLD and click on check, and the system will check for the domain's availability. You see how wonderful it is? All right, so now let's go back to store or shared hosting, because we want to do that for the rest of our packages on our home page. So just click on shared hosting. We have standard, right click, copy this link and go back to your HTML template, scroll down to standards, and let's paste that link here. Finally, let's pick our ultimate. So right click, copy link address, go back, and want to paste our ultimate, which is here. Finally, save changes. Now let's go back to our site, go to home page, reload. Now any person that clicks on any of these links will be taken directly to a domain area. So automatically the hosting service will be added to cart, and then the only thing they need to do is to what? Enter a domain name. So this is a test from solo, and then just click on check, continue, and this is our ultimate plan. This is our ultimate plan with the features. Now this is what I asked you to copy from the document in the description. So this is responsible for what you are seeing here. Okay, you can pick a billing cycle, and these are the things we get set up inside here. All right, the billing. So right now, okay, it's left with only payment methods. Right now, users can come and buy hosting from you. Okay, trust me, your site is up and running. If you get a client right now, you can host the client without problems. In my next episodes, I'll be showing you how you can customize your HTML template and connect it to WHMCS properly. Something like connecting your login page, okay, your login, where users will click on login and log into their client's area. We'll be doing that in other videos. But for now, okay, we are done creating our products and services in WHMCS. We've also connected the basic things to that's our billing or our packages to our home page, our front page, our landing page, by connecting those things here. In my next episode, I'm going to show you how you can create support ticket system in your hosting website. Now, when I take you to your hosting, user will click on contact us and they'll see a form like this. We want to create departments where user can pick a support department like what other web hosting providers do. Now I'll go to my host and show you what I'm talking about. So I'll go to my host. Please contact us. Let's click on contact us. And you see this is a support ticket. We want to create our own support ticket. You can pick a support ticket. And because we are not logged in, we are only seeing sales support. After we log in, we'll see a technical support. So I'll be showing you how you can create support tickets or support departments in WHMCS in my next video. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in my other video, and that's video 8. Bye bye.